Let us cook afritada. Magluto tayo ng afritada. These beautiful, delicious recipes of all delicious Philippine gourmet foods you can find in this beautiful cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by her daughter Juanita Gutierrez. And this exquisite cookbook is found on Amazon Ex Libris, and you could also purchase them in digital format, or you can download them as ebook or in book format, paperback. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by her daughter Juanita Gutierrez. And this beautiful cookbook is now available and on sale worldwide. Online bookstores, Amazon.com, Exlibris.com. In digital format, you can download it in your devices, in your iPhone, in ebook and paperback format. Let us cook delicious afritada. Mabuhay, long live